Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off guys eyes protection mode setting in Infinix phone. Guys you want to off guys your eyes protection mode setting guys you can off in your Infinix phone. In this video guys I will show you how can we off eyes protection mode setting in Infinix phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video guys first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video guys. So and first of all guys we will have to on guys our phone setting to off guys our eyes protection mode setting. So we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it. Friends you can see this type of setting. Friends you will have to click on guys display and brightness setting. Friends tap here. Friends you can see your eye care mode setting means eyes protection mode setting. Guys tap here. Guys you can adjust guys your eyes protection mode, color, temperature in your Infinix phone guys. But guys you want to off, so friends how can you off guys? You can see the turn off now option. Friends tap here this icon. Guys your eye care eyes protection mode will off in your Infinix phone. Then guys you cannot use your eyes protection mode setting. Guys you want to use guys you will have to turn on again. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. And guys sorry for the sound guys, ignore the sound, I am really sorry.